Get to know each other if you don't already know someone. AJT is going to sing a closing song while we get resources and get some snacks. So thank you all for coming.
Where's the basket?
The basket?
It doesn't come around.